Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not working. So let's get into the video. So if you have this issue with Cash App but not working, so what you can do, so the best option, the first troubleshooting option that you can do is firstly try to update your app if there is an update. So just check your Google your Play Store or your Apple Store and see if there is any updates for your Cash App, and if there is any update, just do the update, because most of the time a simple update will fix the issue. So try to do that. And then next, what you can do, so if that doesn't fix, then another option that you can do, or tip, what you can do is that you can simply go to your app information. So click on your app information, and then here go to your storage area and then storage section, and then just clear your app data and cache files. So just hit on clear data or clear cache. So click on these options, try to get rid of these, clear them, and see if that works. And if it still doesn't work, then finally what you can do is just completely delete the app. So completely uninstall the app and then go to the Play Store and reinstall it, and that should fix the issue. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.